Why is he so silent? What is he thinking? I think he is upset with me because I did not give him tea today morning. Probably he doesn't like me anymore. Oh my god, is he going to leave me? What will I do without him? How will I live? Why does Shweta not call me? She hasn't spoken to me full of last week. It must be because I didn't agree with her plan last week. Oh, she's not going to be my friend anymore. My boss asked Rahul to do the work and not me. Does he think I'm not capable or is he biased because I'm a female? He doesn't like me, then why doesn't he just ask me to leave? I should probably start looking for a job. But I'm not qualified enough. I was just lucky to have landed this one. What can I do?
Have you ever found yourself full of thoughts that actually don't make any sense? This train of thoughts keeps running like a Rajdhani Express, refusing to stop. If you want to stop yourself from going into this abyss of overthinking, then keep watching. My name is Sophia Chand from Girls Buzz and I'm here with a video on how to stop overthinking. Make sure you subscribe to us and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Overthinking in severe cases can actually be an underlying cause of anxiety, nervousness, and depression. If you think that overthinking is actually affecting your life, disrupting your relationships, and distracting you constantly, then it is highly recommended that you seek some counseling because the problem may be more deep-rooted than you think. In other cases, overthinking can only be a case of rumination or assumed issues that can be overcome through certain exercises or methods. Now that we know how overthinking happens, we move into methods and tricks that can help you to stop overthinking. First and foremost is self-awareness. If you feel that overthinking is becoming a big issue for you, then the first step is to recognize that you have a problem. You cannot expect to make changes if you do not accept the issue. So first, accept the issue and then start working towards it. Second is focus and meditation. Many people who try meditation for the first time, they feel that meditation is useless, it actually does not help. But that is the idea. The idea is to control your mind in such a way that it does not run helter-skelter and you are able to focus on one singular thing. Now, meditation can be of many types. It does not just mean sitting cross-legged in one place. The idea is to be able to catch hold of your thoughts and focus on one thing at a time. Another method to stop overthinking is to try new things. When we learn or try out new things or try out the same things in a new way, then our mind is focused on learning that part, and that is when your mind is not running helter-skelter into overthinking. So try out new things and see how it helps you to relax your mind. Then is reminiscing about the past. As Henry Ford said, the only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Sometimes our decisions are in our favor, sometimes they are not, but there is no point continuously thinking about them. Instead, learn from them and move on. When faced with a problem, think about the solution and not how difficult the problem is. Next is rewire your brain. When you are resting, the problem-solving area of your brain gets active and it starts overthinking and the train of thought begins. So it's okay, let the first thought come through and think about it and then stop the brain from thinking any further. Come back to where you were. Let the voice in your head just be a voice. Do not follow it. Just come back. Now the methods that I spoke to you about are simple to listen to, but yes, in reality they are extremely difficult to follow. So let me share a few tips and tricks where you can actually practice this and get your brain back to where you want it. First and my most favorite is write your thoughts. Many times we have so many thoughts going on in our mind. It's like a vicious cycle that is going on and it is just never ending. So what has helped me and I think will also help you is writing down your thoughts. It kind of tricks your brain into believing that you've parked your thoughts somewhere and you can get back to them whenever you want and they're not going to get lost. So write down your thoughts and see how it helps you to clear your mind. Then is talk to your friend. This is something that we feel that we should not open up ourselves up to someone else, but actually it helps. When you're talking to a person, it not only parks your thoughts somewhere, but it also helps you to get a response from that person, and that can actually probably give you a solution to your problem, right? So try talking to a friend and see, you may either find a solution or you may be able to park it and feel a little lighter. Another tip is practice mindfulness. I know this has been said as, one solution to all problems, but it really helps. Read a book, take a nap, solve a puzzle. You can even do activities such as, going for a walk or washing vessels, ironing your clothes, or even making bread. You will not believe how meditative these activities are. What is more important is that when you are doing these activities, then be in the present. For example, if you are taking a walk, then feel the breeze against your skin, hear the song of the birds, try to smell the flowers. Be here, be now. As you are putting one foot in front of the other, feel how inconsistent the road is. So that's when you will be able to really practice mindfulness. Of course, in addition to this, you need to sleep well, eat healthy, and try to meditate at least 10 to 15 minutes per day. Okay, the last one is a trick. It's an instant one that will help you to stop overthinking. This is a trick that we came across when we were doing our research on overthinking. It is simply stop moving your eyeballs. Yes, you heard that right. So what you need to do is you need to focus. Either put your finger in front of you, or a candle, or just any one thing that you can focus on. Now just focus on this finger and you just see how much difference does it make if you stop moving your eyeballs. What happens is that your brain just comes at ease, and then you have to start feeling your current situation. Feel your presence in the room, in any place that you are. Try to hear the blades of the fan moving, try to hear the clock ticking, and you will really feel that you are in the current, you are in the here and now, and that brings your brain at total ease. I hope you were able to listen to this video with full focus. If not, go back to the start and watch it all over again with full attention. Practice stopping overthinking right now. Let us know if you would like us to do some videos on mindfulness exercises. Meanwhile, please do subscribe to us if you like our videos.